Hello lovelies and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. It's an honor to come your way again with another delicious recipe. In this video we are making fresh anchovy stew or Abobi Tadi with fresh school boys. Guys, this recipe was superb. Without wasting time, let's go and make it. So this recipe was prepared by my sister, and as you can see, she started by first removing the intestine and the head from the anchovies. So that is what she's doing now. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel where I share easy food recipes. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I'm truly grateful and I won't have been here without you guys. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so at this point she finished removing the head, so she went ahead in a bowl to add some water and then go in with some lime juice. So she used this water to wash the anchovies, and the rest she wash it off camera. So as you can see, she's going to wash everything until the water changes, so the rest will be done off camera. So after washing it severally, this is the outcome now. So she put this aside. In a blender, she went in with some vegetable, that is some tomatoes, onion, some garlic, ginger, and also green pepper, some rosemary, and also anise seeds. She then added some water to blend this off camera. Into a pan, she went in with some red oil, that's jomi. Let it heat for some minutes, then went in with some onion to fry this on a medium heat. So guys, if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to click on the like button and also share this video among your friends and family. So at this point, she went in with the blended vegetables, give it a quick stir, and then cover it. So guys, please enjoy the rest of the video and thank you so much.
Mega budget vielo, Toboli. Mega budget vielo, Toboli. Nega plan ayeji, Toboli. Nega you ayeji, Toboli. Mega favela zamenamu, Mega favela zamenamu. Nadena hokwela siona blo, de vielo, Toboli. Mega favela zamenamu, Mega favela zamenamu, de vielo, Toboli. zamenamo, na de toboli. Mega favela zamenamo, mega favela zamenamo, na de na hobela siona blo, de vinero toboli. Mega budget vielo, toboli. Mega budget vielo, toboli. Nega glen anyeji, toboli. Nega nyu anyeji, toboli. Mega favela zamenamo, mega favela zamenamo, na de na hobela siona blo, de vinero toboli. Mega favela zamenamo, mega favela zamenamo, de vinero toboli. Mega favela zamenamo, mega favela zamenamo, na de na hobela siona blo, de vinero toboli. Mega budget vielo, toboli. Mega budget vielo.